and this is my friend Danny. And today we're going to play with you. No. This is a science show. And today we're going to talk about the water cycle.
That's right, Leonie. Hi guys, my name is Meg, and today we are going to be talking about the water cycle.
Hey, what are these arrows?
Oh, that is the first step of the water cycle. This is called evaporation. Leonie, do you mean evaporation?
Oh yeah.
Alright then, let's talk about evaporation. So guys, first things first, you have to take a vessel. Then, pour some water into it. La 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 la. Okay, we're done. Then, you have to boil the water. It will take some time for it to boil and the steam to form. That's what happens in evaporation. The sun heats up the water from the water bodies and the water turns into water vapor. Look, Leonie! Steam! Vapor! Water vapor! Evaporation!
Yay, evaporation! Hey, is that my thing water vapor?
No. Due to the low temperature in the sky, the water vapor turns back into water and forms a cloud. This process is called condensation.
Concentration?
It's condensation.
Yeah, right. Whatever.
Guys, for condensation, you need a lid or a plate. It should be big enough to fit over your vessel. Look guys, can you see the water on the lid? This means that the water vapor is cooling down and is becoming water. Guys, another experiment for condensation is to take a glass and pour some cold water into it. Now, the air around the glass will get cooler and cooler, and suddenly you will see water droplets. Look guys, the air around the glass became cool, and due to condensation, it became water. And that is how clouds are formed.
Hey, look, another cloud. What is it doing here?
Oh, that cloud is full of water molecules. And because it can't hold all the water molecules, the molecules rain down in the form of rain, hail or snow. This process is called precipitation. Precipitation is just rain.
Rain?
Yeah.
You mean this rain?
Yeah, rain, like the water droplets falling from the sky.
Precipitation is just rain.
Yep.
And what about these two things?
Oh, you mean runoff and percolation?
Yeah.
Let's do these experiments outside. Guys, let's talk about runoff. Let's pour some water onto the ground and let's see how it flows. Look, the water's flowing. And that's how the water goes back into the water bodies. In percolation, some of the water is also absorbed by the soil. The water got absorbed. Now the water is back in the rivers, lakes, oceans, seas and ponds and all the other water bodies. And then the whole water cycle starts again and again and again.
Hey, we wasted a lot of water, right?
Oh, you're right, both of you. We wasted a lot of water in the experiments. Let's talk about water conservation. Water conservation. Rule number 1. Do not waste water. That's what water conservation is. Okay, rule number 1. Do not use a water hose when you're washing your car. Use buckets. Rule number 2. Switch off the tap when you're brushing your teeth. Rule number 3. Use the small button on your flush. Rule number 4. Use as little water as possible while you're taking your bath.
Yeah, actually, I have stopped taking baths.
I can smell that. Guys, don't do that. While we're talking about water, rule number 5. Drink lots of water. It helps you keep hydrated.